Another day, another dollar. Today is Wednesday, September 30th, and these are your top 5 things to know. Kicking it off with number 1, market sentiment looks to be on the back foot this morning after a chaotic first presidential debate between Donald Trump and Joe Biden turned investors cautious. Odds makers slightly lowered the chances of re-election for President Trump to about 39% after the debate, compared with 42% beforehand. That prompted market players to go back to worrying about a contested election, a delay in the outcome, and even whether President Trump will commit to a peaceful transfer of power. As always, stay alert to any tweets from President Trump later this morning, which could sway sentiment during the session. On to number 2. Stocks on Wall Street are set for a sharply lower open this morning. The Dow futures were last pointing to a drop of about 280 points at the open. Futures for the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ were also pointing to a negative Wednesday start for the two indices, with both set to open down about 1%. On to number 3. It's a big day on the economic calendar. The ADP's monthly jobs report, due at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time this morning, will provide further updates on the health of the U.S. labor market. Analysts expect the economy to have created 650,000 jobs in September, after August numbers showed that 428,000 jobs were added. On to number 4. Staying on the data front, we also get the third and final reading of GDP data from the second quarter of this year. That is due at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. The report is expected to show that the economy shrank by 31.7%, a slight improvement from the preliminary estimate of a contraction of 32.9%, which was the worst on record. Pending home sales figures are also due at 10 a.m. Eastern time this morning. As always, you can track the data releases in real time on Investing.com's economic calendar. And finally, number 5, Palantir, the data analytics software company co-founded in 2003 by PayPal veteran Peter Thiel and CEO Alex Karp, will begin trading via direct listing on the New York Stock Exchange later this morning. The highly anticipated listing set a reference price of $7.25 per share, which would give it a market cap of about $16 billion. That would be down from the $10 reference price we saw last week, which initially valued the company at roughly $22 billion. So there's a lot on the plate for today. That's it for me. May the trading gods be with you. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. Have a good day, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy.